Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make unique text effect on Canva mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Canva application on my phone, and first of all, we can click on these three lines on the top left, and here we need to choose like the apps option and go to all apps, and you have to search for the text art. You can search for the text art feature. This one, guys, you can click on this text art feature, and here you can choose either you want to use an existing design or use a new design. And I'm gonna go with this one, use a new design. Let's say that I want to create Instagram post, so I'm gonna select this one, and then just wait for a moment. It's still loading. Okay, and here we can scroll all the way to the right to find the text art. Okay, all right, and we can type our text and describe a style we want to create text art. I'm going to add, for example, Instagram. Okay, and for the art description, I'm going to add flower with leaves. Okay, and then we just need to click on the generate, and then just wait for a moment until the process has completed. Okay, now it's done, guys, and the text art has successfully uploaded to my library, and I'm just going to check it. So this is the result, and I'm just going to make it smaller and place it right here. This is just for an example, guys, so it's not perfect. You can generate the text art as you like, as creative as you can. Don't forget to put details on your description so the AI will generate it perfectly. Alright guys, and that's how we can create unique text effect on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.